Hey everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up alerts and reminders in Smartsheet using automated workflows. If you've ever wished your team could get automatic email notifications when something important changes on your sheet, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know how to create reliable alerts in Smartsheet, but you'll also have the confidence to customize those alerts so they send the right info right when you need it. Alright, let's jump in. First things first, we need to create a new workflow, and the fastest way to do that is by starting from a template. So inside your Smartsheet, look for the automation menu, usually at the top of your sheet, and select Create a Workflow from a Template. Templates in Smartsheet are super helpful because they take care of the complex setup for you. You don't have to start from zero, they give you a solid structure that you can tweak for your exact situation. Next, you'll see a list of common automation templates that Smartsheet provides. For our example, we want to let someone know instantly when a specific thing happens, like when a row changes. So select the template called Alert Someone when specified criteria are met. Don't overthink it, the title says it all. Once you select it, click Use Template, and we're ready for the next step. Let's give this workflow a friendly name so you'll recognize it later. You could call it something like Automated Email Demo. Descriptive names are surprisingly helpful, especially if you build more automations down the road. Now for the core of our automation, let's imagine you're tracking projects and you want the system to email you or your team whenever a project's details change. In the Setup window, set the trigger for when rows are changed. Now let's zero in further. You probably don't want to get bombarded with alerts for every small edit on your sheet, only if a key field actually changes. Let's say you want an alert whenever the project name column changes, regardless of which value it changes to. In that case, add a condition for when project name changes any value. What this means is, the moment someone edits the project's name, even a small tweak, the workflow will catch it and jump into action. Next up, decide who should receive these email alerts. You might want to notify yourself, a group of team members, or a specific stakeholder. Choose Send to Specific People, and then enter the emails of those who should stay in the loop. Don't worry, you can always modify this list later as your project evolves. Now comes the important bit, crafting the message that gets sent. Smartsheet gives you a few options here. You can choose to include a link to the sheet and all the fields, just the specific fields you care about, or keep it to message only. If you want people to be able to jump right to the relevant row and see extra context, choose to include a link to the sheet with the fields that matter most. For quick updates, message only is fine, but more context almost always saves you back and forth questions, especially in a busy team. Take a breath here, almost done. Hit Save to finish setting up your workflow. But before you walk away, let's make sure it works exactly how you expect. Click on the three dots next to your workflow and select Test Now. This is a fantastic way to simulate an alert before relying on it in real life. You'll be asked to choose a specific row to trigger the workflow, so pick any row like row 3 for instance, run the workflow and see what happens. If everything's set up correctly, you'll receive that test email just as you planned, so you know the automation has your back. If something doesn't look right, you can tweak the settings and test again, no hassle. And that's it, you've just set up an automated alert in Smartsheet. This tool is a game changer for streamlining communication and staying ahead of changes on your project sheets. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into a snag, drop a comment below, I'm happy to help. And of course, if you want more straightforward tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.